here seems the worst. I had number 7 on the other side, which is just a 6 that burnt out, but number 7 on the other side was burnt all the way out. Started throwing me 307 code. But yeah, this is the worst looking one. So coming in with the new. I didn't know which one to do, but these got a lifetime warranty. Of course, everything made in China plus. Truck. So everything made in China. So you wanna buy it in China or not? Buy it from China. These particular coil packs, which help the engine run superbly or better than the old one. These, okay. Anyway, they have a lifetime warranty, and I was reading on some of the reviews. On some of the reviews that, you know, the ones that did go out, I don't know how long it took them to go out, but all they did was call the supplier and they just replaced it. So I was cool with that, because I read on some of the better ones, even the so-called name brand or the high name brand, they had the same deal. So I guess if they go out. I think what I'll do though is, and I know all of them go out eventually, but what I'll do is probably just go back with Denso. That's the original brand on this, the Denso. It's just OEM, and those last time. I'm not sure if those were original. But that's what I'll probably end up putting back on here. And they're like $400 for the set.